Hello, my name is Hong, and the problem I'm trying to solve is to simplify the process of figuring out when I should run every day. So basically, when I have a lot of events in one day, it's hard to me to figure out when I should actually run based on the weather conditions. So I spend a lot of time on the weather app looking through the different temperatures and humidities to pick like what the best running condition is that would work with my schedule. So my solution that I thought of was basically to make a running calendar calculator or application that is able to automatically suggest running times based on my calendar data and also the weather for that day. So the way this works is that it authenticates with Google Calendar API and also uses a weather API that grabs the latest weather data from the source and combines them in a algorithm to predict what time I should run at that best fits with my schedule and best fits my preferences for the weather. And then I could also export that to my calendar, which saves me a bit of time when planning. So to demo this, I will run my Flask app, and straight off the bat, it brings me to the Google authentication page, so it can authenticate with my events page. Um, I actually set my time to be earlier this day on Thursday, September 29th, because I am recording this pretty late. And it works based on what time it is like currently. So for this purpose, it's basically like Thursday morning. So here you see the events I have for this for Thursday. I have my classes here and also a FA event, which you can cross-reference with this. And then based on the weather preferences I set within the code, it's saying that the best time to run is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. here. So then I know like maybe this is the best time to run. And for me, like my preferred temperature is around 65. So it takes in like the humidity and the temperature to calculate it. Um, I can also check it for different days. So if I wanted to check it for Friday, I can click on that. And it seems like I have these meetings and these times are the best. And the way this works is that it filters out all the times where I'm not available. So here I basically don't have like time from 9:30 to 11. So it does not suggest like from 9 to 10. It suggests from 8 to 9 a.m., which is actually like the last or least preferred because it's pre-code. And here, this seems like it's the best time for me. So let's say I want to use this time as my running time. All I have to do is click this export button, and this should export it to my calendar. If I refresh and go back, it shows up on the events, which means it was put onto my calendar. And let's see if it puts it onto here. So let me just refresh this calendar. And yeah, it shows up here, which means that export works. And then if I really want to like plan ahead, I can check for Saturday. I only have one event, which is just a hike from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So you see that none of those like in between times are offered. So I have everything after 3 p.m. and everything before 8 a.m. And I set my like earliest time to 8 a.m. So it actually doesn't say anything at all because I can't wake up earlier than that. But yeah, that's basically it. So this is my running schedule tool, and it's basically a way for me to easily check what the best running conditions are based on my calendar and the weather.